One of the top reasons people who need life insurance don't buy it is because they think they can't afford it. It pays one or more beneficiaries as soon as you pass away so that they can pay expenses and replace your lost income. The 5 situations where you should buy life insurance are: 1. You are breadwinner. If you are the only person earning money to support your household, then you need life insurance. Just think about what would happen to your spouse or children if you weren't alive. 2. You take care of aging parents. If you are single and have financially dependent parents, then you need a life insurance policy to keep them secure if you aren't capable of being around to care for them. 3. You co-signed for debt. If you co-signed for debt with another person such as mortgage or student loan, anyone named on a joint account with you would be responsible for 100% of the debt if you die. In that case, taking life insurance policy is must for you. 4. You have family member with special needs. If you have a child or other family member with special needs, then taking life insurance, which is permanent life insurance, is must to take care of them when you are no longer around. 5. Want your children to get a college education. Well, the cost of higher education is rising every year. If you want to pay for a child's private school or college education, then life insurance is a definite way to make sure it can happen, even if you're not around. So these are the 5 situations where you should buy life insurance. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.